Hello everyone, welcome to new project, same paper collaboration. This is a collab I do with Stamp Girl, who is Paige. We only are doing it this month and next month, and then we're stopping this particular collab. The purpose of this collab is to work through 12 by 12 paper pads, which I find really difficult. But anyway, I've been using Gilded Berry by Craft Smart, which was a hot buy at one point, and looks like 2019 maybe. Anyway, I had approximately 32.5 sheets left. I have approximately 24 left. I have 20 full and like 4 partial maybe. I used about 8.5 according to this. I don't know. The partials are iffy. I might have used like 4.5. Anyway, you know, I still have a lot left, like half the paper pad, because there were 48 sheets to start. Now, I did just start using this in October, and it was a brand new pad. So I had used 18 last month to make cards and a book, which I have here. You know, I had made all these cards, slim lines, and this little 6x6 book, which I thought was really cute, actually. Yeah, so I made some bags this month. I only made 2, little behind. I had 2 sheets that looked like this in the paper pad, and I followed Mixed Up Craft, who is Sam. She's in the UK. She, like several other people, is one of my favorite for learning how to do different paper crafts and unusual cards and things like that. So for this one, the coordinating paper I used for the back was this floral, which I thought matched the flowers in the front, but I only had 1 sheet of that. And then on the sides, I used this design on both sides. And the bottom, I used this like a berry color. And then this cording, that's the only thing I'm not happy with, the cording, but it's all I had. Get in there. I did put grommets in using this wonderful tool that I absolutely love. I actually bought this. It's a crocodile, and it came with all these different grommets or rivets or whatever they're called. Now these are all, though, the bigger size, and so that's all I've been using. But that makes sense for a project like this. And the cording is actually out of my jewelry business stash. I had this, I forget what this is called, and it's not labeled. It's like Zari something or other, Zari cord. I got it from jewelrymaker.com a couple years ago. Probably actually like 5 years ago, or 4 or 5 years ago, in 2015 or 16. And it came in various colors. This one had plain gold, which is what I used because the reds, none of the reds and greens were the right colors from the other boxes. But it's a little thin. I cut 16 inches of cord, and I tied the knots at about 1 inch from each end. So there's about a 14-inch handle on each. And I didn't make any little tags. So that was the first one. The second one is the same front, but the back, the bottom is the same also. I had another sheet of that. The back is this floral color, and the sides are gold and cream stripe, which I'm not crazy about, but oh well, it worked. And it used most of those sheets of paper. Actually, it used almost all of 1 sheet, because you have to make a little, what does she call it? Oh, shoot. Anyway, there's a little piece in here that hooks the sides onto the bottom, and it's 6 inch by 2 inch, so that used up more of one of the strips. I had a little difficulty laying the papers down straight onto the taped piece, and it does use a lot. She used a 1 inch on all the sides, tear and tape kind of thing. I only had 1/2 inch and then 1/4 inch, so that's what I used. I used 1/2 inch red line and 1/4 inch Stampin' Up! Tear and tape along the other edge of each of the sides and the bottoms and stuff. It held fine, believe me, because I tried to pull up one area and I couldn't. So yeah, those are my 2 bags. I think I like the first one better because I like this pattern with the front better. It just seems more cohesive to me. They both have foiling on the sides, which is why I went with the gold cording, because it brought out the gold on the sides. This one that floral and the other one the stripe. So that's it. That's all I have for this month, is 2 large bags that I can use to put gifts in this year, because this year is not going to be a whole lot of gifting. Yeah, I mean, for my granddaughter something, and my son, and then my daughter and her husband, and my brother. Well, I don't know what to get any of them. So, and I got to do it soon, right? Because if you don't ship before the 9th, you might not get there by Christmas this year. So just be aware of that. That's what I've heard anyway, within the States. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.